Hello everyone, my name is Akshay Sharma and welcome to my channel One Step Hub Automation. This is the third video of the Jenkins series and today we will be discussing about the issues while installing Jenkins on Windows machine. The first issue what we have is user is getting error where we get exception as failed to listen to port 8080. This clearly means that the port which we are trying to install Jenkins on is either used or is not available. Let's see how we can solve this. In order to solve this, we just have to change the installation port of Jenkins. For that, we have a command java-jar jenkins.var, which we have used in the previous lecture to install Jenkins, and we have to pass the parameter http port equal to 8081 or any different port where you want to install. Let's see this in action. I'll go to the jenkins.var file where to the folder where Jenkins is installed. I'll copy this. I'll open my terminal window. I'll navigate to the folder where Jenkins war file is placed, and I'll write java-jar jenkins.var http port is equal to 8081, or we'll go with 9090. When I hit enter, you can see the installation is started. And we can see the Jenkins is up and running. We'll go to the browser window, and now we will open localhost 9090 and hit on enter. And you can clearly see, I can see the login window of Jenkins. I'll log in with my admin credentials. And now I am able to log into the Jenkins. I can log out Jenkins as well. Let's go ahead with the other issue what users face. The second issue what several users have reported is they were not able to install the plugins. Basically, we get to the installation window wherein Jenkins suggests us to install the few plugins, and after several attempts, users were not able to install plugins. In order to solve this, first check whether you have the internet connection stable. If you have a stable internet connection, then this might issue with the Java compatibility. In order to install Java with the compatibility, in order to install Jenkins with compatibility mode, what you have to do is you have to execute the command as java-jar jenkins.var --enable -future -java flag. Let's see this in action. I'll copy this command. I'll go back to my terminal window. I'll close this. I'll clear my screen and I'll paste it here and hit the enter button. Now when I refresh this window, this should work and I should able to get all the plugins. Oh, it is on the different port and we have set it to the default port as 8080. Yes, this seems to be working now, and I'll try logging into the system and check whether all the plugins are installed or not. I'll go to manage Jenkins. I'll go to manage plugins. And on the installed plugin section, you can see all the plugins which were suggested by Jenkins on the installation window are appeared to be here. If you face any other issue, please comment down in the below comment section. I will help you out with the installation and with the issues you have. Please subscribe to my channel